So in this video, I'm going to do a review of Milwaukee's new M12 angle die grinder. It's got 3/10 of a horsepower. Most of us that work on cars, we use these for removing gaskets and cleaning gasket surfaces up. And how we do that is with one of these roll-lock adapters. This is a 3-inch one. They also make them in 2-inch. And then we put one of these Scotch-Brite pads on it. And people that do welding and fabrication and body work can put the sanding discs on it. This is an Ingersoll Rand one that I've been using for many years. This one's designed just for these roll-lock discs. But one of the big problems is dealing with the hose. Like when I'm doing head gaskets on a car and I got to clean the block up, you have to reach way down in under the hood. And I always have to hold the hose with my other hand so there's enough slack in it. And another problem with this is it uses a lot of air. If I'm using it out in the field, hooked to a small air compressor, I can only do a little bit at a time. Another problem is if you want to use this out in the field to like clean up a water pump gasket or a thermostat housing, you have to get the air compressor out and hook it up. And this is a style die grinder most everyone has. This is a Mac Tools one. And this video is not sponsored in any way. Now I'm going to show you up close everything. Okay, so this one comes with 2 batteries and the charger. And I paid $259.99. If you have a bunch of M12 tools already, then you can buy it where it's just the tool only. And that's the part number for the tool only. And it sells for $169.99. The only other M12 tool I have is that stubby impact, so I decided to buy it with the batteries. Yeah, and here's that roll-lock adapter up close. And a Scotch-Brite pad, what it looks like. And a sanding disc. And here's one of the smaller 2-inch ones. I found that I use a 3-inch one. I never even use a 2-inch one ever. Yeah, and here's that Ingersoll Rand one, what it looks like. And this has only got 2/10 of a horsepower, so the Milwaukee one's got a little bit more power. And here's the Mac Tools one that I hardly ever used. So now I'm going to take it out of the box and show you everything that's in here. Yeah, here's the actual part number for the kit that comes with everything. Yeah, here's what it looks like with that roll-lock attachment already on it. And it comes with those wrenches, 2 batteries, and the charger. And here it has 4 different settings on the speed. The first one's 10,000, then it's 15,000, 20,000, then 24,500. And with a 3-inch one of these discs on here, you only want to go 20,000 maximum. With a 2-inch one, you can go 30,000. Yeah, now we'll take this out in the garage and let me see here. That's the first setting. Yeah, it seems like it's pretty powerful. I'm going to charge the batteries up before I actually try it out in the garage. And this is with the Scotch-Brite pad on here. Yeah, here's the pneumatic one. Now let's try it out with the sanding disc on it. Oh, I gotta go put a different battery in it. this is one of the batteries from that stubby impact because I hadn't charged these batteries up yet. Yeah, so it's definitely got a lot more power now that the batteries are charged. Yeah, and you can also take and put like the 4 amp hour batteries and the bigger batteries in this if you want. And sometime in the beginning of the year, they're going to make a straight die grinder, which will be great for putting these 3-inch cutoff discs in. Yeah, these small batteries, they don't last long, but they tried to keep this tool real small is why they didn't go with the 4 amp hour batteries, but you can always put those in if you want.